Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the clay and fold it like this. Now take the comb and press it. Now fold the clay like this to make the petals. Make few more as such and keep joining them like this. And then in the front we'll be making the face of the butterfly. Just fold it backward like this and draw the lines over it. Now put its eyes and then take a small thin piece like of the clay and fix it and it's done. Next, take a white color clay and fold it like this and then fix it. Now after pressing it, take the comb and press it from both the sides as shown in the video. Now after that, we'll be taking the sticks and pressing it like this. Now press it again with the comb to make the fins. Now make the face and eyes of the fish. Make the patterns over its body like this as shown in the video. And your fish is ready. Next, take a clay, roll it like this and then press it. Now after pressing it, you have to make the beak and the eyes of it. Now cut it with the knife and then press it with the fork like this. Now make its crown on the head and draw the lines on it and put a nut in the between and it's done. Next, take a dough and then cut it like this. Make the nose of the piggy. Now you have to cut its ears. Press it like this. Now make its eyes. Just take the stick and make the hole and put the black dots like this. Now make a tail on the back of it. Make its back legs like this and cut it to make the shape and press it. Now fix it on the back by putting the tail like this and your piggy is ready. Next, take a dough and then fold it like this. Now press it with the stick from the between. Now after that, you have to take the dough and put the nut in the between. Now press the dough and cut it like this and make the beak of it. Make its eyes and the crown on the head like this and it's done. Next, take 4 pieces of dough together and press it with the stick like this. After that, we have to remove the sticks and again press it from the between. Now you have to spread the dough and then roll it like this. After rolling the dough, fold it carefully as shown in the video. Now after folding it, put the nut in the between like this and press it. Now put the red color dots like this and it's done. Next, take the dough and fold it like this. Now after rolling it, we'll be taking another piece of dough and then roll it like this. Put them and then you have to press it with the stick like this from both the sides. After pressing it, you have to remove the sticks and then you have to press it again with the stick like this and then you have to put a nut in the between and press the dough from the sides like this and it's done. Next, take a purple color dough and press it with the comb like this. Now after that, you have to cut it as shown in the video. Now after cutting it, you have to open it and again press it by rolling it like this. Put the nuts and then press it as shown here. Now after pressing it, fold it from all the sides. Put the nuts carefully and it's done. Next, take a dough, roll it by putting a nut in the between like this. Now make its beak, crown and then cut it from the sides with the knife like this and press it with the comb over it. Pinch it and give the shape like this and it's done. Next, take a dough, roll it like this. Now press the comb over it like this. Now put a nut and press it from the sides. Now cut it from the between, fold it down like this. Now roll it. Now after that, we have to press it with the fork and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the dough and roll it like this. Put it over and then you have to make the nose of the piggy, make its eyes and tongue like this and it's done. Next, take these small pieces of dough and then cut it from the between like this. Now put them over each other. Now after that, we have to put the nut and then press it with the stick and then first roll it like this. Now spread the petals and your flower is almost ready. Now put the dough on the sides of it and put the nut and roll it like this by putting it one by one. Zigzag the dough and then you have to roll it around the flower in the same manner as shown in the video. Now after rolling it, fix it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.